Okay, hello everyone. I'm Mike McCartan. This is Intermediate Algebra 2, and this is the welcome week. All right, so y'all can come on in here. There's 2 videos to watch here today. This is the first one. Y'all, my room number is 105. It's right inside when you get off the bus. It's the only math room on the first floor. And my extension, if you want to call, is 7025 if you call the main number. That's Simile. Okay, video 1 here, I'm going to go through some of the special rules for COVID. Okay, obviously we know school is going to look different this year. Okay, we're going to talk about hybrid learning. We have kind of a half and half thing going on here to start. We'll talk about the grading that we're going to have for this class and some of the classroom norms and expectations that we're looking at. The second video, guys, we'll look at the Schoology structure, kind of what's inside there, a little bit about my teaching style, and just a little bit about me too, okay? Guys, first, you need to wear your mask, okay? Basically all the time when you're in school. All right, properly wear your mask. I put mine on like this, up over your nose, okay? Try to stay 6 feet apart and talk soft, okay? And I'm at home right now, so I'm gonna take my mask off. There's nobody else around. Guys, I need you, not to be shouting a lot in the room. That's what spreads the virus. When people talk loud or they're singing and stuff like that or breathing heavy, that's what spreads the virus. So please talk soft. I want you to be able to talk. You don't have to stay quiet. Just don't be shouting at each other. All right, make sure you wash your hands as you enter the room and leave the room. If you feel sick at all, you need to go to the nurse's office, okay? Especially if you lose your sense of taste or smell. All right, that seems to be something very unique to COVID. Also, I need you to kind of tolerate the uncertainty. I don't have all the answers of what's going to happen here. And the people that work above me, they don't have the answers either. This is all brand new. We're trying to figure out how to do it. And because everything's going to be online, sometimes the technology doesn't work perfect. So you have to kind of tolerate, you guys, that things aren't going to work perfect. There's a lot of things we don't know right now. But together, we're going to get through it, all right? We'll get through it together. Guys, hybrid learning is going to be set up kind of like distance learning. I'll have half the class in the room at a time, and half the class will be at home. We'll have Zoom classes, little exercise, and lots of contact, you guys. Anytime you email me or somehow you need some help, I'll give it to you, all right? We need to stay 6 feet apart in the room, and we have to be able to transition, guys, straight to pure distance learning in case the case count in Dakota County gets higher, okay? Social distancing basically means distance learning. The only way we're going to stop the virus, y'all, is distance. That's the one thing we have until we get a vaccine. Guys, this is the question students ask me most often. What do I have to do to pass the class? Y'all, you have to complete the assignments in Schoology. Okay, do the schoolwork while you're in class. All right, and I'll give you time to talk to each other and stuff in class. It's okay, but I need you to be working on math when you're here. Show effort, y'all. Show respect to me and to each other. All right, and show respect for what we're doing in class. We're learning math here. Show respect for that. We're learning here, okay? Respect the process. And you need to demonstrate knowledge of the material, all right, by tests, exit tickets, things like that, okay? You need to show that you understand some of this math in order to pass. Guys, the grading scale, this is from Inver Grove Heights, the 90, 80, 70, 60. I'm sure you've seen something like that before. For our class, tests are going to be 40%. There'll be 4 of them, so they're 10% each. Guys, the exit tickets, we are 20%. Those are daily, you'll have one. Daily, you'll have a summary. Daily, you'll have a vocabulary, and we'll do those together in Zoom. All right, there'll be a self-assessment because I'm not going to collect the work. You guys, only things in Schoology. I can't collect your work. You tell me how you did on it. And we'll talk about that. Self-assessment is important. All right, it's important to know what you think, how you're doing. Okay? Guys, the gradebook, again, daily there'll be 4 things. And daily is twice a week, basically, for a full week. All right, Wednesday is kind of a day where we can catch up and work together. And all right, every day there'll be a summary assessment, a vocabulary assessment, a self-assessment, and an exit ticket every day. All right, that's going in the gradebook. All right, and there'll be 4 tests too, including the final. Guys, I'm expecting y'all to watch 2 videos in Schoology before you get to class. Now, the first day you don't have to do that. We'll watch them in class. All right, but after a while, I want you to be able to have the videos watched before class. All right, every day we'll have a Zoom jigsaw activity where we meet in Zoom and have a class, go into breakout rooms, look up words, come back and share them. Okay? When you're in the room, y'all got to stay kind of quiet. It doesn't mean you can't talk. What it does mean is you can't get real loud. And you need to stay kind of in place. I'm going to let you move around a little bit. We just can't get running around crazy in there, okay? Listen, I am known for having no assigned seats. I know it's kind of rare, but I'm going to let you sit where you want, okay? However, if things change, I might assign seats, all right? Please, in my room, do not bring any food into the room. Again, that might change after a while, but no nuts at all, ever, in my room. Please, never bring nuts into my room, okay? And don't stand by the door at the end of class. That seems to happen, where everybody gets around the door at the end, okay? Please don't do that. I stay out of Mr. McCartan's desk area, and during COVID, I have a very large desk area. So stay away out of from there, please, okay? Guys, I turned 60 years old in October. So we don't want Mr. McCartan to get COVID, okay? And please be honest with me. Yo, you'll see, if you tell me the truth, I'll probably let you get away with a lot more than some teachers do. But if you're playing me and you're lying to me, and I don't like that, okay? Just be honest with me. You guys will see. It works better with me. In particular, what will get you in trouble with Mr. McCartan? If you are talking when I'm talking, when I'm trying to, deliver instructions, show you how to do something, or give some directions, I need you to listen, okay? Please don't, non-class use of electronics, all right? Where you're gaming and stuff like that, watching non-class videos. All right, please don't do that. If I ask you to move seats, you need to do that. All right, I don't do it often. The only reason I'm doing it, I would have warned you many times before. If I ask you to move seats, you need to do that. Okay? If you're not participating in class or you're interrupting class, all right, if you bring food in, I'm not going to like that, you guys. I will cut you some slack here eventually. I'm going to find out about what we can do. But we can't share food, certainly. And remember, absolutely no nuts allowed in my room. All right? If you're frequently late for class, I'm not going to like that either. Okay? Those are the things that will really get you in trouble with me. All right, this is the end of video 1. I'm going to stop here, take some questions, and then we'll watch video 2. All right, thanks.